Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
As we were going to the break, we threw it to Farmer Greg about, grow what you like to eat and grow what saves you money. And Nika, you had additional input you wanted to add to that.
Yeah, absolutely. So when I'm teaching classes to community, the first thing I do is ask them, what is it that you eat a lot of, right? Do you eat a lot of carrots? Do you eat a lot of lettuce? Do you eat a lot of spinach? Do you eat a lot of eggplants? And then based on that, that is exactly what you should be growing, right? Because that's going to save you money in your grocery bill. That's going to, get you more connected to the food that you like the most. And you have a better respect for people who grow and harvest the food that you eat in the end. So I definitely love to tell the families, choose the things that you guys eat the most of. If there's a certain vegetable your kid only wants to eat, grow that and get them engaged in growing your food and growing their own food. And because the younger that you start them growing their food, the better food choices and healthier choices they'll make as adults. So I'm always pushing this to the families. Grow what you eat a lot of. Save yourself some money, and engage your family in it. It's something you can do just to bond as a family. And if you have extras, it's a way for you to, bribe your neighbors and be nice with them.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.